Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's see what stocks are on the move this morning. I'm Lisa Mateo, Emily Grafea. We're joined by Bloomberg's, Valana Hadrich, Bloomberg cross-asset reporter. Thank you so much for joining us this
Thanks
morning.
for having me.
So where did you want to start?
Let's start with Netflix, ticker NFLX.
Sure.
And shares are lower about 5% today, even though last night the company reported second quarter results that exceeded investor expectations in just about every major metric, with the company saying revenue grew to $11.1 billion and earnings jumped to $7.19 a share. And it also raised its forecast for full year sales and profit margins. And the company mentioned that there have been a couple of really big hits, including Ginny and Georgia and the final season of Squid Game. I watched the first season of Squid Game. I could not stomach the second season of Squid Game, so I'm not one of those fans, but apparently these are quite popular.
Do you watch a lot of Netflix or?
Of course.
Really?
Don't
I feel
we
like
all?
you're not a TV watcher.
Oh, I watch TV. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm into Apple, the Apple streaming app.
Oh, Apple TV.
Recently, yeah, because I hope no one from Apple is listening, but I took my mother-in-law's login.
All right. What other stocks are you looking at?
We're also looking at Lululemon, LULU. Shares of Lululemon are also lower today. Following a note from an analyst at Jeffries that said the company is facing slowing sales, fewer store visitors, waning demand for its iconic black leggings. I bought a bunch of Lululemon stuff pretty recently. I spent more money than I should have, so this was a surprise to me, but shares are lower following this note, which is really making its rounds.
Yeah, that stock has been getting crushed year to date.
Down some 40% through the Wednesday close. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And your last stock?
And the last one is 3M. Ticker, of course, is MMM. And those shares are slightly lower today as well. But the company did raise its profit forecast and it beat Wall Street's estimates for the second quarter. And its CEO, he has this effort undergoing to reinvigorate the company. And that seems to be gaining some momentum. So the company said adjusted earnings will be $7.75 to $8 a share this year. And that includes some of the expected impacts from tariffs. And that was up from a prior range that topped out at $7.90. And analysts had been expecting $7.70. So much better than expected results.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.